building on its top safety pick rating, the Volvo XC60 underwent crash testing by Euro NCAP, and has proven it's extremely safe no matter what organization is testing it. The crossover SUV, which we would consider a mid-size in the United States, was named the safest large off-roader by the organization. This was because the Volvo had higher ratings in Euro NCAP's 4 categories of safety: adult occupant protection, child occupant protection, pedestrian protection, and safety assist, than any other vehicle in its model year and class tested by Euro NCAP. The most impressive of the XC60's scores was in adult occupant protection. It managed a nearly perfect 98%. Interestingly, the next closest scorer in the class and year was the Alfa Romeo Stelvio with 97%. The second highest score for the Volvo was in safety assist with 95%, which Volvo notes was a full 20% higher than the next best crossover in the class from the Volvo's model year. The child occupant rating was 87%, and the pedestrian score was 76%. Back here in the United States, the Volvo XC60 nearly has the highest rating it can bestow, the top safety pick. It has the highest good rating in every crash scenario it has been tested in, and has top marks for collision prevention technology. It misses out on the highest top safety pick plus rating because its headlights received only the second highest rating of acceptable. Headlight scores dragged down a lot of car models this year as it has raised its standards for what constitutes a top safety pick plus. Also, it doesn't have a score for the passenger side small overlap crash test.